Happy Wednesday, friends. It's Wednesday's Blends with Friends days again, and today I already pre-made up a roller called Warrior Mama. I made up like a postpartum blend for my friend whose baby shower I'm going to in early May. It's super pretty. I put dried rose petals inside of it. This is a blend of Bergamot, Clary Sage, Ylang Ylang, Peppermint, Grapefruit, and Idaho Balsm Fir. So this is a really calming and stress relieving blend. It's also really hormonal balancing and like uplifting and grounding. It's stimulating to the mind, and it also promotes happiness, combating anger and low self-esteem, and it helps to filter out any negative energy. So it's like really great for postpartum, but it's also good for anyone who needs help with confidence or stress.